Guy, welcome to my YouTube tutorial, and today I'll be taking people on how to cut this bubu gown. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. This is the fabric I'll be working with, and I have 3 yards of fabric here. So I'm marking out the starting point. So I will move on to mark the half length, which is 17 inches, and that's where I'll be fixing the pocket. At the 17 inches, it works for everybody. I go up by 6 inches as the bust point, then mark the hip 24 inches hip length, and the gown length is 59 inches. I'm not cutting out anything from this gown because it is from this fabric because it is 60 inches, so I have to use it like that. So now I'm marking out my shoulder measurement. So now the formula for this cloth is hip plus 6 inches divided by 4 plus 1 inch. That's what I'll use throughout. I'll use it at the hip plus 6 divided by 4 plus 1 inch. So I use it all the way here, including at the hip, at the half length round, at the bust down. So I'll mark out the sleeve length, which is 19.5 inches. I'll mark it down and connect the lines. Please make sure you carve this place, connect it to the sleeve. Then from the shoulder, go in by 2.5 inches, and that will be my neck width. 2.5 inches. Then with the neck depth of 3 inches and connect the lines. So our shoulder slope of 1 inch. Then connect the lines to the neck width. I'm done with the cutting. I'm done for good. This is very simple and very easy to make. It's even suitable for the beginners. So this is me cutting the fabric now. Please, at the 17 inches, you have to notch it. After cutting it, you have to notch it because that's where I'll be fixing the pockets. Sorry, I'm dragging it up so that the camera can cover it. So this is the gown now. So this is me notching the 17 inches because of the pocket I'll be fixing. Thank you.